Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to crochet this amazing bookmark. This bookmark is made of two different kind of leaves. This one is typically longer and it is made of several incomplete half double crochet. Have a look. There is a 3 dimensions midriff in the middle of leaf. And there is a long chains that I use to connect this leaf with the smaller one. The smaller one is made of a combination of several stitches. Well, kindly watch this video for a complete tutorial. The material I'm going to use for creating these patterns are poly yarns and a crochet hook number 5. And to make these designs look pretty cool, I'm gonna use 2 layers of yarns like this. Then the first thing to do in crochet, and of course to make a slip knot by twisting the yarns into the crochet hook, then yarning over, pull it through the loops. This is a slip knot. Then chain of 4, slip stitch in chain 1. This is about to make smaller leaves. 1 single crochet on the right side of the slip stitch. Then go to the left side and make 2 more single crochet. Two half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, then make a picot stitch. Okay, after this I'm going to mirror back the stitches. Firstly, I'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet. Finally, make a slip stitch on the top of a very first single crochet. The first leaf is done. This is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to make 42 chains. This chain is used to connect this leaf with another one. Okay, let me complete this chain first. Okay, now after making 42 chains, I'm going to make one incomplete half double crochet in each of 9 stitches from hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 loops in the hook. Then yarn over, pull it through first 2 loops, yarning over, pull it through 2 loops, yarning over, pull it through 2 loops, 2 loops again, 2 loops, 2 loops, the last 2 loops, then do yarn over and pull it through all loops. Okay, now turn the work. Okay, now repeat these stitches. Make one incomplete half double crochet in each of 9 stitches from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops again, 2 loops, 2 loops. This is the last 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull it through all loops. Okay, it's done. Make one more chain, then cut the yarn. Now the longer leaf is done. Finally, hide the yarn tail in the body of the leaf like this. Finally, cut this yarn tail. You also need to cut this yarn tail. Finally, this adorable bookmark is done. And for your information, you can use any type of yarn you like as long as your yarn is suitable with a crochet hook. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have something to say about these patterns, kindly leave your comment in the space below. See you again in the next tutorials. Happy crochet!